Here you go, my love. Fresh coffee.
Thank you.
Holy sh! I can't do this alone. Good morning, everyone. So my name is Dario. I'm traveling with my girlfriend Cecilia around Australia in our little camper van just to find the coolest spots. So we've made our way to this beautiful lush forest area, which is about 3 hours off the coast of Byron Bay. And we've been here for a few days. It's absolutely stunning here. We haven't had the chance to explore because it's been raining. Now, some of you might be wondering where we've been over the past kind of month because we haven't really uploaded. On the east coast of Australia, it has just been hit with heavy rain, which is probably one of the wettest autumns that the east coast has really seen in many years. And the funny thing about that is that our original plan was actually to head west, but because we thought we're going into winter, that if we head west, it's going to be a bit too cold. Turns out they're having the driest autumn on record. So just our luck, we get all this wetness. Oh well, today is going to be a beautiful day. Now our plan is to kind of set up a campfire today, just have a look around the general area. We know there's like a really nice little bridge over on that side. And then you've just got this river. I don't know how well you can see it here, but you've got this beautiful river that just comes through. It's a shame I don't have fishing rods on me. I have ordered fishing rods. They should be coming in the next few days. But yeah, I would love to fish here because I think there are fish. So that would be really cool. And one of the interesting things here is there's a lot of mushrooms growing here. There's a lot of cows kind of roaming around and a lot of cow poop. I wonder what happens when you touch these. I got a drugs and I got a blood, they talking a ticket. Bitches they sit in my pants and be like, "But what's on the bridges?" Yeah, we might not do that one again. And soon we'll go collect some firewood, but I think first we need to clean up our van. It is an absolute mess. So we'll get started on this first. So now that the van is officially a little bit cleaner, we might go for a walk and try to find some firewood. Now you might be able to hear in our voices that we're a little bit under the weather. We've had a cold for the past few days. So just kind of getting over that now.
Now the more thing is, I was sick first, you were okay, and then I passed it on to you. It's like, yeah. The timing this month, it was just the worst. Raining most of the time, getting sick. Yeah.
But I don't mind too much. This area, really nice. So this place name is Paddy's Flat, and I think just around this area they built, I think, tank traps during the World War, just so if Japan was to invade Australia, then there would be tank traps here, so it would be like an obstacle for them to get around, and because it's mountainous, it would be tough. So that's a pretty interesting fact. I never knew that about this area. And there's also a lot of free campsites here, so that's pretty cool.
And especially if you have a 4-drive wheel, is that correct?
A 4x4?
Yes. Then it's like even more spots accessible, and I think you are getting a little bit better spots with like a nicer view, maybe over the mountains or something like that.
Yep.
But our spot is pretty cute as well.
Our spot's really nice. It's just on the river. And as I mentioned earlier, if I had fishing rods, it would be absolutely perfect. There are a lot of cows actually walking around. You do see cows during the evening, and they even come up to the car or close by. So
it's just such a shame that we kind of have to fly through New South Wales. Well, we decided we wanted to just escape the rain, but probably the most disappointed we are about Blue Mountains.
yeah,
We're excited about that, and so many spots we wanted to see, but we just skipped them. So I guess we're gonna have to come back.
Yep.
One day.
Which isn't that bad. Coming back to New South Wales to visit the Blue Mountains would be pretty cool.
I wanted to step by in Sydney as well, and there's like more spots along the way, along the coast we wanted to see.
Yep.
But we're hopeful we overstayed in Victoria. We kind of skipped New South Wales. So hopefully Queensland is gonna be finally the state when we're gonna be just accurate time and we're gonna see everything which we want.
Yeah. So we'll see how that goes in the next couple weeks.
Fingers crossed for us.
Fingers crossed. So this is the bridge that you have to come in on, and driving a 3.5 ton van through this is crazy. It just feels like each board is about to break. Even when I walk on it, it feels like the boards are about to break. And look at how much water is passing through. It's just insane. And Cecilia is just up this track. And this is another camp spot, usually where people come with tents and not cars. But this might even be a better spot than where we are. It's just a shame we got such a big car that won't necessarily be able to fit. But this is it. So just collecting some firewood.
And we should have bring some back with us.
Yeah, our idea was to actually buy some firewood before we got here. Just like a bag for like 15 bucks, but we just didn't see any on the way here.
And I'm a bit worried, especially because of all the rains. I'm not sure how, well, it's not dry for sure. So I'm a bit worried how it's gonna burn.
Yeah, this will be interesting. We're also going to cook some food on the fire, so I cannot wait for that. And this is like the first officially hot day that we've had in a little while. It's not even that hot, it's probably only 20 degrees, but
Feels hot.
oh yeah, the sun is just beaming down. So it feels great.
I miss sun so much. This is the van life we want to do, like kind of outside of the van as well, not only inside.
All right, round two. We've brought ourselves a handy bag to carry some more wood, and we're going to go back out and see how much more firewood we can collect. We need quite a bit, so.
Yeah.
And something you see a lot of whilst you're here is a lot of bikers on the weekends. We were reading online that they like to come here and do their off-roading. So that's pretty cool. We'll go down here, we'll see what this path leads us to. There's a little trail there. This would make for another really cool spot to camp. Just kind of park your car along here and you've got the river right there. Another little man-made campfire. This place is awesome. And look at that. So as you can see, Paddy's flat tank traps constructed Australia's defences during World War II. Wow, really cool. And as you can see, just kind of behind here is some remnants of the tank traps. These large triangle rocks just over here. Just trying to make it hard for the Japanese to invade. How's it going over here?
Do we need more wood or enough?
I think we've got enough. So we've definitely got, I think, enough firewood for today. It just depends how, I guess, wet it is. Hopefully it's not too wet that it won't burn, so we'll have to see. And what do you guys think? Do you reckon that's enough firewood for tonight? We hope so. So we might chill out for a little bit. Now that we've collected that wood and gotten all sweaty, we might have a coffee.
Yes.
I think we need a morning coffee. Here you go, my love. Fresh coffee.
Thank you.
Now we've already constructed most of the fire. We've created like a teepee, and then in the middle we've put kind of all the boxes, like the tissue box and just the tissues we used over the past couple of days. So hopefully that'll burn and it's gonna be so good.
All the paper.
All the paper. So at the moment the sun is kind of coming and going because there's so many clouds, but it should start to get sunny in the next like 15 minutes and it should stay sunny for a while. But before we start the fire, I thought might have a little game sesh. Playing at the moment Days Gone. It's like a zombie apocalypse game. It's really good.
Protect you from a goddamn thing. Lost.
So we're gonna do one of our absolute favorite, pretty much anything on fire we love. Some potatoes, some cheese, onion, and today for the first time I'm gonna try to put there some tomatoes, so it'll be like baked tomato. Hopefully it'll be nice.
Now while Cecilia works on dinner, I'm gonna work on getting this fire started. So for the past 10 minutes, we've been trying to get this fire going, and as you can tell, it's struggling a lot. I think the wood is just a little too damp. It is really hot in there, so that's a good sign, but
No flames.
no flames.
No flames. And we like flames.
And we love flames. So 45 minutes later, we're still battling this fire. Unfortunately, it's just too wet, as we've said before. We really should have gotten firewood before coming here. We're just not the brightest. But that's okay, you know. It's still hot enough to be able to cook on. But just look at this beautiful area, especially during golden hour. This looks incredible. Just got the van, the seats, the fire going. It's hard to ask for more. All right, it's time to bring the food. Got it right here. Now that's probably going to take about an hour to cook. This will be meal number 1 for the day. It is now 4 o'clock, so we've been battling this fire for almost 2 hours. Holy shit. Hopefully y'all could hear that.
Did you catch it?
There was bright thunder, or bright lightning, and then a loud thunderous roar that was not too far from us.
So that means it'll be like very close.
And look at those clouds right behind us. They are scary looking, which is weird because then on the other side, still blue sky.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, that looks so good. So as you just heard, outside is thundering at the moment and it's spitting down, so it looks like it's going to rain pretty heavy tonight. So we've moved everything inside. We're still going to enjoy Supernatural we're watching at the moment, and we're going to enjoy this delicious meal. But yeah, things don't always work out the way you want, but
I'm just glad that we started earlier than we were planning first.
yeah.
So
I think at first we
just
started
made
planning
it.
for like 4 o'clock to actually do the fire, but instead we did it way earlier, which was lucky. A lot of flies inside, but that's fine. Let's dig in.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Like pizza?
Like pizza, yes. I think tomatoes should be like a common occurrence. Perfectly cooked.
I can't do this alone.
Hey guys, so it is the next morning. If you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and all that good stuff. After last night, we were just so full that we tucked into bed and just watched Supernatural all night. And yeah, now it's time for us to get out of here because we've been here for a bit too long and head into town and have a shower.
Oh, absolutely. I need a shower. But now we're gonna continue our road trip like Sam and Dean without the demons.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you later.